It has been my dream to have such an action camera for a long time, but it's not in my budget. I never thought I would have it now. I can't wait to get home to unbox it. So right here at the mall, I opened it right away. Hello guys, I'm going to unbox this DJI Osmo Action. I just received this gift from my loved ones. This is not the latest model of DJI Action Camera, but it is more than enough for my needs for capturing good videos. It has a digital stabilizer, 4K and 60 frames per second for high-resolution video, and 1080p with 240 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion video. I still don't know how to operate it, so I have to watch a lot of tutorial videos. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos in the future. The contents of this box is the action camera with the camera holder attached. And inside is another small box containing the instruction manual. I'll just read it later. And two stands, one with a flat bottom and one with a curve maybe for the helmet. Also inside is the battery. USB cable. And the lock screw for the stand. It has two screens, one at the front for selfies and one at the back. I was so excited. I tried to remove the camera holder, but I was still a little nervous. I might break it. First, I need to read the instruction manual and learn the different settings. Thanks again for watching. Thank you very much for your continued support. Take care, all of you.